Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a video file smaller. Let's start. First, drag the video file which you want to smaller to the track. By the way, if you need to merge videos, you can add different videos to the same track in order. Then, click the Export button. Actually, if you need to make a small size video, the fastest way is to choose the low resolution. And click the Settings button. Here we can custom the resolution as we want. When the exporting process is done, the video size is smaller than before. That's all the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.